small kids, and all they have is their smartphones. Okay, and really, I want to see them play sports. Or,
Yes,
yeah.
go outside and play.
Yeah,
Yes, and
but
go
they're sitting on the
outside.
computer.
Be a
My
kid.
son too.
Get dirty. Eat mud. You know, catch frogs. Hi.
Of course, we must somehow to teach them to live in this world. But
Technology.
but in other way we have
Computers. You know, kids don't go outside and play anymore.
The society demands that they learn technology.
And you, if a phone rings, it doesn't matter what meeting you're in, you drop right now because that might be the one chance you get to go work for somebody. Totally different etiquette than what we have here. It's cool. Howdy.
Their whole culture is very different.
Now you have to say something to our back at home, our people back at home.
How do you say Merry Christmas in Estonian?
Häid jõule.
Heit Joland. Heit Joland. 93 days.
93
He's
days.
already in his red
93
vest and his
days until
mustache.
Christmas.
Minu hinge tegi rõõmsaks meie lavastuse kunstnik Andrea Normats. Andrea Normatsi jah, tema töö ennekõike, see on teinud minu reisi, ta on olnud minu jaoks partneriks terve selle reisi ajal ja ma olen väga õnnelik, et ta siia reisile tuli.
Nii, meil on kolmandik Ameerika reisist läbi, mida ootame eelnevalt?
No ootame samasugust publikumenu, nagu on olnud samasuguseid pakkumisi.
Esimesel etendusel 70 inimest, täna 30.
Nii et kui niimoodi jätkub, siis on viimasel ainult Neeme Raud.
Aga meie ometi ju oleme inimesed ja tahame, et me oleksime terviklikud. Ameerika oleks meie osa, mitte Ameerika jalgpallina, vaid et see oleks midagi olulisemat.
Me võime kõik koos öelda kadunud luuletaja sõnadega, ammu surnud poeedi sõnadega, et kuis õnneõudust toob, kuis rõõmustab see maad, et inimesed igal pool kui vennad elavad. Kui imehea on see, kui palsam pühalt Aaronilt, mis inimesi õndsaks teeb ja hoovab altarilt. Need oleksid nagu siis minu mõtted.
Spanish. El vacío ha contenido su existencia. Memorias de un día mejor están por venir. Donde quiera que ella va, sin valor se siente. Algo en su interior la aleja de él. Besos y rosas, armonías melódicas. Ella solo pide amor. Y cuando el día terminó y todo concluyó, ella solo pide amor. Deep inside, the deepest part within her. Deep inside, the deepest part of where she's been. He is there waiting to consume her. Something inside of her is keeping her from this. Roses and kisses and melodic cadences. All she needed was love. At the end of the day, when all is said and all is done, all she needs is love. ya terminó y todo concluyó. Ya solo pide amor. Roxanne, you don't have to turn on the red light tonight. No. Roxanne, you don't have to turn on the red light tonight. Roxanne, you don't have to turn on the red light tonight. Police, right? You police fan? And then, what the world needs now is love, sweet love. What the world needs now is love, sweet love. Ooh, she's gonna find it. Oh, yeah, she is. Roses and kisses and melodic cadences. All she needed was love. At the end of the day, when all is said and all is done, all she needs is love. All we need is love, right? All we need is love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All we need is love. How do you say that in Estonian?
kõik, mida me vajame, on armastus.
kõik, mida me vajame, on armastus.
How do you say love?
armastus.
Armastus. Yes. Armastus. 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 Armastus.